Hey, what's up people? In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to create a QR code easily online. So creating a QR code can be very hard sometimes because of all the complexities, but using this website that I'm going to show you, it's very easy. And please note, this is just a free trial, so you'll have to use this and create as many QR code possible in the 13 days or the 14 days free trial this website is going to give us. So first of all, open your browser and go to this website called qrcodegenerator.com. So this will take you to the website. As you can see, this is owned by Bitly, which is a very famous URL management company. So once you open, always log in using your Google. So it's always better to log in using the Google first, so that you can save all this work you have done. And you can see we have logged in, and it's showing that you have a free trial that ends in 13 days. So click on this button over here, create QR code, and now you can create QR code for all these different channels. So I'm going to be showing you a very basic, like a QR code for a website. Click on website and click on next, and then type the website. Obviously we're going to type our channel website and click on next. And once this is done, this will ask you to design your QR code. So now the design involves the frames. You can see you can either select this, or you can keep it standard with no frame. I'm gonna go with the standard without frame. And then if you want, you can change the color as per your requirements, and you can change the logo. If you want, you can also upload a logo and set a logo as a QR code. And once all this is done, you can click on download, and this will download the QR code straight into your gallery. And you can see we have the QR code here. I'm gonna record this on my iPhone and show you how this works. So you are on my iPhone screen now. I'll click on camera and then scan this QR code over here. So you can see the QR code is here, and this is taking me to a website. So this is the website. Unfortunately, my website is still under construction. There's some problem with the site. So this will take you to whatever link or the social media site, or the video or the image that you are gonna make as a QR code. And once this is done, you can go back to the dashboard like this, and you can see all the QR codes that you have generated. So see, this is the QR code that I just generated, and this is I can download it as many times as I want, and then you can see the number of scans and get more insights by clicking on details. So all these features are actually available on the premium. You have a lot to explore. Can create custom QR codes as per your industry. However, that requires a premium license or a premium upgrade. So I'm using this only for the 13 days, and I'll see what I have to do for the rest of the days. But for now, but for you, if you want a premium plan and if making QR code is your daily thing, I would suggest you to go for this offers. Check out their plans and pricing under their upgrade section. So that's it. Shout out to this website from Bitly. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.